Enjoy my virtual show, Figure of Speech, on now. Hi, I'm at the Macmillan Art Center today and I thought I'd show you my exhibition. So I'll take you around the room and try and show you an overview. This is basking in sunlight today. This is the second wall. You can see the groupings of the smaller paintings. They range from 20 by 20, 24 by 24, and 18 by 24. On this back wall are my musical paintings. So I have various jazz paintings and a solo instrumentalist. My show is called Figure of Speech. I think that's aptly named, as I do write in my paintings a lot. So this is called Making Music. It's 28 by 40. These paintings are all acrylic. Some may have collage in them. This one's called Midnight Jazz. Here we have In the Limelight. This next one is called Jazz Nightly. Then we have The Composer and Keeping Time. So we're really getting the effect of the shadows from the window here, the grid. It's kind of cool. So over on the long wall, the first one is Green with Envy. And she's 24 by 24. We have 5 days a week, 24 by 24. First in Line, 24 by 18. Now that has some interesting collage detail down in it, which was actually a paper stencil that I ended up gluing on instead of stenciling. This one in the bottom is called Group Decision. And this one is The Ringleader. Has lots of Asemic writing scratched into the top, and it has some collage elements of text in there as well. This one is called Coffee Culture, and it has some collage in it as well. These are some raised letters and a little awning. This one is called Zippity Doo Dah. Do you remember that song? It also has some collage in the arms. And below here, we have the groupies. Next to them is one called Small and Mighty. Down here we have City Sidewalk. And Hanging Out. This last one is called Night Life. It's the last one on that wall. Then over here we have Trio Bella. Next to that is Sunshine Showers. Followed by Bridging the Gap. So this is my largest piece in the show. It's 48 by 48. It's a little bit different in the sense I haven't painted it totally intuitively. I have used photo references on that painting. This next one is called Rain on My Parade. And the last one over here is called Color of Music. So these paintings on this wall are all large pieces, followed by the smaller pieces and the musical pieces. The show is on until March 2nd at the Macmillan Arts Centre in Parksville on Macmillan Street. It's open from Tuesday through Saturday from 10, I believe it's 10 to 3. So there's a peek of my show. If you're in the area, you can get down, and I know a lot of you are from a long way away that follow me, so I thought that you could enjoy it this way. So I hope that you did, and please leave any comments if you have a favorite or you would like to see more details or close-up details of a painting. Thanks for watching.